Yes. We are taking Chief Magistrate's Court. And you have been before Her Worship, the Chief Magistrate, Nachitenda Juliet. She has made clear directions, and I thank her that she has, of course, I've applied for criminal summons, but she has informed us that she went ahead and took steps as prosecution requires. First of all, we thank the state this time. The DPP has said it's not taking over the case, because that has been a problem here, that every time we institute private prosecutions seriously, DPP says it's taking over, and after taking over, they mismanage the cases. But now it is clear that the case is not being taken over. Secondly, the magistrate, the chief magistrate has at the same time went ahead and did her duty. She went to the chairman of Werenga Cell and she read to us the report of the chairman of Werenga Cell and confirmed that actually the ceremony happened, that actually Bugingo made the ceremony at Honorable Nyombi Tembo's home and introduced Makula. So that was the classic case. So the main point from today's proceeding is that now Bugingo has been formally charged by the chief magistrate. That because previously these were charges which I was proposing, but now the magistrate has confirmed them and has drawn a charge sheet containing 3 charges.
This is not the first time. Divorce is fine. Separating is fine. No, you to know to somewhere to Tiba. Manaba Sajam to Tiba. Banina Sabasaja. Bobo no cousin, why no Buchala, it's fine. Nayato Mambula to walk and go. And even I'm Sanga Mutisanga. Mulamok to Swaza City Muala, Ndimuchala, Nina Mange. I have a son, Rajimutuebula, Rajimutumalaka Tiba. I'm so hurt. I'm disappointed with Bugingo. I know you. Kufuwa Pastor Sarada Mundeba. No Muchala. Tocha Sani Lori Chintuntu. We don't want you to say sorry to us, and we are not interested in your apology. Which is wrong. Government of please. I need Mansuro Mukama. Agamba sabira sirimu. Agamba sabira abantu. Wache byote biwonya. Okay.